Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am doing a review on some Morphe products that I just purchased. I have their Make It Big mascara. I have their Out and a Pout trio of lip products in Blushing Nude. It is a lip pencil, a cream lipstick, and a lip gloss. I have their 10G Glisten Up eyeshadow palette. Very pretty pops of color in here. The bottom row is like all glitter, pressed glitters, and then this top row is shimmers. And then the last product, which is their, I think this is the newest product of these 4 items that I have. It is the 35XO eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. As soon as I saw this, I had to purchase it. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. Look at those guys in there. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they're so beautiful. Okay guys, so if you want to see these items in action and hear my thoughts on them, please just keep watching. Alright guys, so since you can find swatches online for most everything nowadays, I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of swatches from this palette with like a bazillion eyeshadows in it. So I'm just going to swatch some of the prettiest ones that I think there are in here so that you can see them in like really pretty lighting and stuff. So let's get going. Okay, so this one is Your Move. I think it is a really pretty highlight inner corner color. Has like it's like a really pale pink color. It's not white, it's pale pink with shimmer. Major Seduction, really pretty pinky, almost coral color. Eye Contact is a really pretty matte coral color right here. Then this one is The Chase. It's a pretty color there. This one is Kiss Me. Then this is a pressed glitter. It's the only pressed glitter in here, so I figured I would swatch that one. It's called Crushin' Hard. This one is beautiful. So this is a matte purple color. Oh, it's beautiful. Excuse my swatches. But this is called Meet the Rents. This is Happily Ever After. Oh, Happy Ever After, excuse me. And then this one is Over the Moon. You can see the color story in this palette. I love it though. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So many colors to choose from with this color story. I mean, it's just so pretty. So excited about this. Okay, where to start, where to start? So I think I am going to start with the color Hair Flip, which is right here. Now I'm going to move to a little bit of a deeper, cooler body language right here for my crease, my transition color. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a darker color. I think I'm going to do Dating History right here and put that in my outer corner. These are definitely blending out awesomely. Awesomely. Is that a word? Now, I think I'm going to put 2 Swoon all over my lid. Now I think I'm going to take Kiss Me and put that just in the center of my lid.
Hey guys, sorry my audio messed up here, but what I'm doing is putting Your Move into my inner corner and then Come Here Often onto my brow bone. Then I am taking Dating History and Make It Official and smudging that out on my upper and lower lash line.
Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to try is their Make It Big mascara. Not too shabby. Definitely not clumping them, which is fantastic. I hate clumpy mascara. Oh, that looks pretty nice. One eye. Not done. Done. Okay, I have to say I love that. I think that it looks beautiful, and it's not clumpy, and it actually separates them, which I love that. I think they look great, and it holds a curl, like it didn't immediately flop down. I got this a lip trio out and a pout in blushing nude, and it has a lipstick, a lip pencil, and a lip gloss. The lipstick is in Flirt, the pencil is in Love Bite, and the gloss is in Boho. Very creamy. I like this pencil a lot. A lot. Let me swatch it so you can see it. Just a pretty nudie brown color lipstick. It is a cream lipstick, not matte, cream. Okay, so there is the lipstick and the lip pencil on. Next, lip gloss. Ooh, I like it. I did also pick up the 10G Glisten Up because of some of these really pretty colors in here. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. I really like these up here. They're extremely buttery and smooth. These are kind of a disappointment. Yeah, the top row is so buttery. The blue literally almost feels like I'm sticking my finger in a cream. Okay, top row. This top row up here. They're so pretty. Some of them are kind of subtle, but they're beautiful. I really like them. Now for the bottom row. Ready to be disappointed? Not too bad, I guess. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. That blue, that's beautiful. Actually, it's like a mermaid. It's like blue and green shifts and purple. Beautiful. Whoa. Wow, dream big. Just kidding, dream big. I was kidding about being disappointed. These actually swatch great. The pink one is, and then the rest were actually amazing. So let me show you. So this bottom row, this guy is beautiful. You ready? Aren't those pretty? Look at this guy right here. Doesn't that make you think of a mermaid? Like that pink and blue. I mean, purple and blue and green. I love it. I was wrong. They're really pretty. I like it. I'm glad I got it. So here's both of them. Let me see. Okay, so some final thoughts and pricing on these things since I didn't say the pricing at the beginning. So this palette is $25. I thoroughly enjoy it. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I love the colors in here. I think they blend wonderfully. You can see all the pretty swatches still on my arm. So here it is again for the 100th time. I think this is beautiful. If you are a lover of pinks and mauves, I think this is right up your alley. There's so many of those colors to choose from. So for $25, so you can't really beat that for 35 shadows, like 35 pink mauve shadows. Who could go wrong with that? So love this. Think that is a great buy. So then the next one is this 10G Glisten Up palette. This was $9. Again, I was pleasantly surprised by these, especially the pressed glitters, which you see in the video that I was not. I thought it was going to be way worse than it was, but they ended up being beautiful. So for $9 for 10 of these, for 5 pressed glitters and 5 shimmer shadows, you can't beat that. $9, I mean, that's better than drugstore pricing for the most part. So I think this is a good buy. Also, this Make It Big mascara is $12. Again, that's pretty comparable to drugstore pricing. I don't think that that is a bad price. It's not a great price, but it is not a bad price, especially for a good mascara. Like, I really do think that this is a very beautiful mascara. I think that it does what it says it's going to do. It makes your eyelashes big and voluminous without being spidery or clumpy. It is definitely holding a curl. Yeah, I think this mascara is beautiful. It is made them longer. It made them more voluminous. They're not spidery. They're not clumping together. This is just a beautiful mascara. Okay, so for this lipstick trio, this lip product trio, not lipstick trio, this is $16 for the pencil, the cream lipstick, and the gloss. I love all three of these together. I think this is also a great buy. I love this lipstick. I think it is beautiful. I think it is a perfect nude if you are close to my skin tone. The nude color that the three of these make together. I love the lip liner. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It is perfect for outlining your lips, for making your lips look a little bit more fuller if you overline them just a smidge, not too much. And this is a really pretty nude color, and then with the gloss on top, it all goes together beautifully. I think this is a great set. I think they did a great job of picking these three to go together to make a great nude for someone who is my skin tone and lighter. If you're darker than me, this might be too light for you. Alright guys, so I hope that you liked this video. I hope that it helped you out. If you have been eyeing up any of these products, I hope that it helped you with making a decision on whether or not you are going to buy or not buy them. And I will see you in the next one.